swear to God, bro.
Bitch, damn near tan the bitch. Me and my bitch be sharing the bitch. I'm done running my 50 man, I feel like reflating bitch. Ain't got a can this bitch, they upping on me, I'm down the bitch. Pretty ass hoe point out my drink, I just stare the bitch. I got 7 rooms filled with clothes, it's also on the way in this bitch. Yeah, ain't talking about no TV show when I say I got bear in this bitch. I had to figure it out the hallway, no I don't care little bitch. Hey, I know talk shit online, but check it in real life, I'll never struggle again. I done helped out my mans, I put my mom in a brand new Benz. Niggas is grown, they bitch, asking for pics like a fan.
That's all cool and fine, bro. You successful, you winning. Shout out to you for taking care of your moms and doing the shit you supposed to do. But my nigga, your music's still trash, bro. When is you gonna evolve and become a better rapper, nigga? This shit trash, bro. V's, dog. Hold on, cuz.
You my dog, I do what I can. Brand new fish bowl, look like Saran.
Not my type, I'm still smashed. Rich y'all rap like.
Hold on. Brand new fishbowl look like Saran wrap. I mean, it's trying to be a bar, nigga. It's trying.